Teroxx, welcome to our weekly crypto news and market update video. And crypto summer is likely to start in Q2, Morgan Creek Capital CEO says. And he's saying the next crypto bull market will be sooner than most people think. And he said, what do I think is very likely? That the Fed signaling that, okay, we're good, but that will be interpreted as we're going to cut. And then risk assets will explode, as he is saying in an interview. And he's saying the market always anticipates the halving. And 9 months before that is usually when the beginning of summer starts. So Jusko said, so he think there are two catalysts for exploding markets and that this will be positive for the markets. Let's see if yes or no, if the world markets are going to rise and if everything is going smooth. This could be two catalysts, of course. If the markets will explode or not, we will see then. But for the moment, these could be two catalysts for the next month. But for the moment, Bitcoin is struggling to hold these levels and is slightly going down a little. 20k in Bitcoin may return, says analyst, as US unemployment hits a 54-year low. So Bitcoin was not able to push above 25,500 and is now around the support zone of 23k. So what we saw is that the Fed news were quite positive. It just went up 25 basis points. Powell as well said something like that we will be soon there and stuff like this. But the unemployment data for January were too good, so to speak. So this unemployment rate needs to be higher when you're having a high interest rate because you want to cut the balance sheet and therefore you need unemployed people. But here we can see that the unemployment rate is going down and down and down, and this is not what the Fed wants to see. And this is why we, so to speak, having a problem in the market, and this is why risk assets and all in all the financial system went down a little bit from the resistances, and 25k in Bitcoin is now a crowded trade. We have this macro downtrend line, we broke above it, and this is, so to speak, a bullish sign. But due to the news we now got, we may going below this line again. If yes, then 20k should be near. If not, we could rally up to 25k or even slightly higher. The first euro-pegged stablecoin powered by Ethereum launches in Finland. The Finnish company Membran Finance is here a fully reserved stablecoin backed by the euro. It's regulated and licensed by the Finnish Financial Supervisor Authority, and by fusing the Euro E with Ethereum blockchain, Membran Finance aims to enable near instant payment globally, and they are saying that stablecoins are an essential part of the transition towards blockchain-based money infrastructure, and Europeans deserve to have a full reserve euro stablecoin from the European Union and regulated by a European Union-based financial authority. Because what we've seen is that all this money in this market is related to US dollar stablecoin pairs and not to euro pairs. And now here one company is setting up one euro stablecoin, and this helps for the adoption. And I think this is a quite good movement here to see. And I'm quite happy that this is going so smoothly forward. Last but not least, FTX, Sam Bankman-Fried, it's not over yet. Now the next company is bankruptcy. So we have here the next topic, the next scenery, and that is good, the next tidying up in the market. So SBF is going down, 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 and down. The market is, so to speak, free for a next leg up without these market people that are not having the good in mind, but are using criminal instincts or criminal activities to not to destroy the market, but to maintain a little bit the uptrend. So yeah, this is quite good that now here the next company is down and SBF will not be active on this platform anymore. But last 7 days, consolidation is slightly going down in prices. How you can see, mostly red, just a few are up a few percentages. And in the market cap of the whole market, we can see we are on the same levels like we started 1 week ago. So here as well, nothing happened in this market. So let's see where we are going to price wise. But last week, nothing was driving the market, and this is as well visible over here. We've seen a consolidation, and we were on the level that we are not on right now, around 23k to 22,800 that we are on right now. And then we've seen the Fed news and the market pumped a little bit. It's around 5% upwards trend due to the Fed news, with then building a resistance at 24,300. And then we already saw, okay, this was nice, but it was as well a little bit priced in, so it went a little bit down. And then the unemployment news hit on Friday, and then this sell-off of around 4 to 5% or around nearly 6% over the weekend came along. So the unemployment rate on Friday was negative, and then the market, because of low volume and low volatility, could not gain any strength. And then as well, Monday morning opening of the financial world markets were negative, and we saw a little downtrend. So what happened right now is that 23K is now, so to speak, the next small resistance we need to break again. When world markets are positive, we easily could go back to 23,600 and even higher when markets staying positive to touch again this resistance and may break it, even to aim for 25K. If not, we easily could go down to 22K or even a little bit lower, because if I'm scrolling out, you will see that we have some supports here down at 22,300, but then it's not having any real support zone until 21K. So here, and this is the danger of this week, if the world markets are not positive, we could easily go down a little bit more, and the possible downside is a little bit bigger than the possible upside. So trade always a little bit safe this upcoming week, and maybe only go all in. You should never go all in, but go into this market with a position when you have a clear trend and not just a small uptrend, due to, how I said, in my opinion, the uptrend for this coming week is not that big. Only if we're having quite bullish markets on the worldwide financial index market, then of course we can have a small rally, and then of course positions could be good in long trades. I hope you like this video. If you do so, I would love if you comment, like, share this video, and we'll be here next time when it comes to weekly crypto news and market update provided by Teroxx.